friends, and welcome back to another Advent calendar unboxing for 2021. So today I'm going to unbox my first ever nail polish Advent calendar. Essie is one of my all-time favorite nail polish brand. I do love especially their gel couture nail polishes. I think they are fantastic, and when I've seen this Advent calendar I couldn't resist it. So this is their 24 days Advent calendar for 2021, and I've actually purchased mine from a German website called Rosemann. Now we also have this website here in Czech Republic, but they do not have it. This Advent calendar retails for 49.99 euros. I do not have information about the overall value. I will try to do it when I will edit, if it is possible, but here is written in German, Willkommen in the Essie. So this is like welcome in Essie soft night world. And I do speak nor understand few languages, but unfortunately German is not one of them. I was just checking online to see how this long word retails, and here is written with 6 limited shades from the USA. I absolutely adore the packaging. So it's coming like in a briefcase type of a packaging, and you even have here the loops where you can grab it and carry on. So I really appreciate, and all those fun colors that have on it, and on the side you can have a sneak peek of the product. Now I'm going to put it down and remove the packaging, because I'm as curious as you are to see what is it inside. So you cannot imagine how long it took me to remove this sleeve without actually destroying it. Okay, so the actual calendar is opened by popping up this window on the front and also on the back side. So I hope I remove it correctly, because some of the drawers are in German. So now it would have been useful to have some German knowledge. So let's try it. I think eins means one. It has a lovely Christmas tree, and we have a full-size nail polish in the shade Find Me on Oasis, and it's a white with a bit of a very light tint of blue. Really lovely. I don't have anything like this on my collection. Also, I'm filming really late in the evening. It's 9:30. Usually at this time I'm not filming, so the light is not the best, but I'm going to do swatches in the daylight. After that we have zwei, which I know that it means two, and this has a nail polish and few ornaments. This has a mini size top coat, strong start. Okay, so this is a base coat, really handy for travel, because I'm traveling with my nail polish and I'm an old-fashioned girl. I know that now there are a lot of good inventions on this world, like press-on nails, acrylic, whatever you want, but I'm still old-fashioned. And by the way, today I'm wearing a Sally Hansen nail polish, and with a top coat from the same range that is really good. I just bought it last week and tried. I have it for like 6 days, and it started barely to chip. This is how I started to watch YouTube. So for me, all the time having nail polishes, it's like a nostalgic moment, and I love nail polishes. Returning to the day number 3, here is more helpful, as you have the number 3 on the box. Here it is, a mini size of the Mrs. Always Right, and this is very beautiful red, pinkish red shade, a mini. And what I love about the Essie mini nail polish is that they have a really good brush, comparing with the one from OPI, which have a very tiny brush. Those actually have the full-size brush from the full-size bottle brush, so it's really handy because it's more easy to do your nails. Day number 4, it's actually written here. We have a clarifying nail polish remover. I'm excited because I just found out that I need to buy a nail polish remover. Mine is almost gone. Of course, it won't last me too much, and I never had a nail polish remover from Essie. And by the way, guys, I don't know if you all know, but Essie is owned by L'Oreal. Not that I have something against this, it's just as a FYI. Going back to the day number 5, which also has a nice Christmas tree. Day number 5 is really a good one. We have the first gel couture nail polish. It's in the Fairy Tailor. This is so good, and it's a light shade that anyone can wear. And the gel couture are more pricey in their line. I think they retail for around 13-14 euros. So day number 6, it's heavy, so I suppose another full-size product on this box. And yes, I'm happy. We have the full size of the top coat of gel couture top coat. This is really good, and it's written here top coat, and not that we don't know, or at least I know because I already have this in full size. Mine is already finished. I think I have just a little bit left. You cannot see on the actual bottle how much you have left, but I've noticed when I'm putting on the top, I don't have enough to cover my nails, so I need to dip back, and this is not okay because it's dragging the nail polish. So now I will retire that one, and I'm going to use this one, even though I have a mini size one I just bought from Vienna few weeks back. Day number 7, this one, and it's a light one. I suppose this is a mini nail polish, and I'm right. Ooh, she's so pretty. This is like a taupe, purpley taupe shade, and it's called Wireless. It's More, number 606. 8. Okay, this is number 8. I suppose another mini. This is another pretty pink shade, similar with the one that we had before, but this is from the regular line. So this is Sugar Daddy. Number 9, it's a brownish, this is like a taupe color. This is in the shade Chinchilli. This is how it looks like. Day number 10, I would say it's a travel size. Ooh. Okay, this is the Good to Go top coat. Day number 11, I think this is a full size. Ooh, this is a red one. Not red, I think it's like a fuchsia color. This is in the shade Mood Square. I do not have this shade. I have something similar, but for sure I don't have this one. Day number 12. It's another full-size nail polish. What is this? The bottle, it's a bit different. It's a bit taller. It's taller than the full-size one and slimmer. So I don't know. Maybe this is from the new collection. Okay, this is Expressing, and I love the color. I'm wearing this kind of colors during winter. And we finished this side of the advent calendar. Now I'm going to pop up the other window. Number 13 looks like a mini, but I thought we were gonna have some accessories, not only nail polish. I don't mind. Okay, this is a really gorgeous Christmas Day nail polish shade. This is in the shade Forever Yummy. This is so my type of red. Day number 14, where it is, the challenge. Yeah, 14 is here. So I suppose it's a travel size. Yeah, this is a apricot oil. Okay, so this is a cuticle oil. Yes, definitely smells like apricot. Day number 15. This is heavy. This is a full size. This is another pinkish color, and this is in the shade High Maintenance. Day number 16, a small size. This is actually black. This is the licorice shade. I think I only have one black nail polish. Doesn't have a number, so I think the 17 it's 17. Luckily, some words are similar with English. And we have another red color. This is in the Lieblingsmensch. Okay, this is in German. This is not English word. Day number 18. This is a no chips ahead. Okay, so I suppose this is another of their top coat. Probably it's another fast drying top coat. Number 19, I suppose it's this Naunzen. I don't know how to pronounce in German. I'm just fooling around. We have another full size. This is another pink shade in the shade Skinny Deep. Yeah, I don't think that I have this one also, but they are quite similar. You see, there are some shades of pink which are similar between them. Day number 20, and this is a pink in the shade Ballet Slippers, another pink shade. Okay, come on, how many pink shades we have? Day number 21. This is a full size after school boy blazer. So I think this is like a dark blue. I'm not able to tell because it's night, but yeah, this doesn't look black. During winter I like to wear dark nail polishes, so okay, they redeemed with this shade. I still hope that we have some blue or green. Day number 22. This is in the shade Fifth Avenue. Day number 23. Okay, this is like a nude shade. It's not pink, at least. This is in the shade Ladylike. And finally, day number 24. This is a full-size nail polish. Please don't be a pink or a red. This is a golden shimmery shade. This is in the shade Getting Groovy. So I think this must be my favorite shade because it's fun and it's really appropriate for doing your manicure on Christmas Day. Overall, I think I got a really good value for my money. So I paid 50 euros and I think I got more than double value back for the products. I think it's not bad as a product variety. However, I was hoping to get some tools, but probably Essie doesn't have this. I'm not completely sure. Overall, I think it's a good advent calendar. Could have been better. The variety is not the best, but we still have a lot of shades to use. I would have preferred to have some more greens or blues or other shades instead of annoying number of pinks, especially pinks, but we also have some sort of reds. But overall, it's not bad. We also have a nail polish remover. I think it's a good value, and for sure I got my money back and more. I will give it like 8 out of 10 for this Essie Advent Calendar for 2021. So if you enjoy this kind of videos, I will highly encourage you to subscribe and hit the notification bell because I have more to come, and I'm also planning to buy other Advent calendars, and maybe I'm going to buy another nail polish Advent calendar. So this is all for today. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch. Also, please let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and I'm going to see you again on my next video. Bye guys! Mwah.